In 1764, in the small Swedish town of Gunnebo, a blacksmith's forge began a journey that would span centuries. Today, we celebrate 260 years of innovation, craftsmanship, and unwavering commitment to quality. From forging nails and bolts for shipbuilding in the 18th century to pioneering advanced lifting solutions in the modern era, Gunnebo Industries, a Kito Crosby brand, has always been at the forefront of technological innovation. Our journey of excellence is marked by milestones such as production of screws, chains, and iron wire, which began in the mid-1800s. In the 1850s, the old hammer works was converted to a modern engineering works, and our operations gradually expanded to include lifting and other products. Today, our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in Sweden ensure the safest products on the market, made from recycled steel and renewable power in modern plants featuring state-of-the-art robotics. Today, Gunnebo Industries is a global leading brand within Kito Crosby, a world leader in the lifting and securement industry. Our products are trusted by professionals around the world, from construction sites to salmon pens, ensuring safety and reliability in the most demanding environments. Innovation is in our DNA, from the world's first self-locking hook, the BK, to the revolutionary Gravix system, and to our ongoing research and development efforts, we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in lifting solutions. But our success isn't just about products, it's about people. Through our training programs to ensure a safer industry, our dedicated Kito Crosby employees, partners, and customers have all played a vital role in shaping both our legacy and our future. As we celebrate 260 years, we look forward to the future with the same passion and dedication that has guided us since 1764. Thank you for being part of our journey. Here's to the next 260 years of excellence. Let us raise your world.